Gates open, they're up and racing. Kate Ganda, fierce and fiery, moving up to grab the lead by the rail. Racing in third, Beyond Good, then by the rail, moving up is Tucker's Diamond. Next in line, Finest Material, and Boss General is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. Fierce and fiery by 3/4 of a length lead over the favorite. Kate Ganda, Tucker's Diamond is running by the rail third. Finest Material racing in fourth, down in Peep, Beyond Good, and Boss General still bringing up the rear as they race at the last 600. We have Fierce and fiery Kate Ganda now moving upon the outside and now leading by such a neck by the rail. Fierce and fiery as they race at the final corner. Kate Ganda, now the leader. Fierce and fiery drops back in second. Tucker's Diamond racing in third. Finest Material, Beyond Good with the last 150 more to run. Kate Ganda this time by about 5 lengths. Running in second, Fierce and fiery, Tucker's Diamond, Beyond Good. And final at the finish line, it's just indeed light workout for Kate Ganda. Fierce and fiery, then comes Beyond Good, Boss General, Finest Material, and Tucker's Diamond.